Many local businesses waste money on ads because the message, targeting, or creative is weak. Advertising can grow a local business quickly, but only when the message and creative are strong. AI tools now make it easier to create high-performing local ads without needing a full agency or design team. You can use AI to generate multiple headline options, write persuasive ad copy, create image concepts, and even test what messaging is most likely to convert. For example, a dental office can test ads around emergency visits, family plans, or cosmetic treatments. A home service company can compare same-day service against free estimate and let the platform learn which offer drives more leads. The key is to feed the AI real business inputs such as your location, service area, customer pain points, and best offers. Then launch small tests and let the data tell you what works. The ROI comes from reducing wasted ad spend and improving lead quality, which means more appointments and sales from the same budget. Do not guess what ad message will work. Use AI to test faster, learn faster, and spend your marketing dollars more effectively.